Rajasthan District Court Exam Exercise 24 at the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. There are two recent images of global India. The first is India as the world's vaccine exporter, sending supplies of COVID vaccines to diverse countries from South America to South Asia. The other is the government's furious line against pro farmers protest tweets of music star Rihanna and climate activist Greta Thunberg, cracking down on those who shared a toolkit, jailing Disha Ravi, and continuing police deployment at farm protest sites. The vaccine export drive aims to showcase Atmanirbhar India as a manufacturing hub and vaccine supplier to the world. Towards this end, PM Modi has announced the focus on ease of doing business and declared that the role of the private sector is vital as wealth creators create jobs. FM Sitha Raman has urged industry and private enterprise to show animal spirits. British economist John Maynard Keynes' phrase describing a human emotion that guides energetic financial behavior in difficult times. Stop para. Freedom is individual. Freedom cannot be compartmentalized. The authoritarian economic miracle of China may be a role model for some, but India, given the dizzying diversities of economic life, the evidence shows that economic growth is best achieved in times of civic and social freedom. The attempt to spur free private enterprise when a vast state apparatus is severely constricting civil and democratic rights, when sedition charges are being slapped, when those holding any ideology opposed to the governing regime are imprisoned or muzzled is bound to fail, particularly if fear is the dominant emotion. The first step to unleashing the animal spirits is surely to recognize that fear and control over thought and expression are the biggest deterrent to those spirits. Stop para. Who, after all, is the common entrepreneur? He or she, often a young genius behind a startup or a new business, is above all a free thinker who is able to generate a bright new idea that may catch the imagination of people. Entrepreneurship is rooted in the freedom to think, to question prevailing paradigms, entertain inconvenient truths, and come up with out of the box ideas. But in a climate of fear, where the freedom to think is severely constricted by the fear of being dubbed anti national, the robust energies of new entrepreneurs are in danger of being snuffed out. In the past weeks, the internet has been shut down at various protest sites, and there are moves to bring social media platforms, Twitter and Facebook, under government dictate in a clear attempt at thought policing and constricting academic freedoms, publicly funded universities now need government permission for international online conferences. Stop para. In India's economic growth oriented phases during the tenures of P.V. Narasimha Rao, A.B. Vajpayee and Manmohan Singh governments delivered steady growth rates and had a lighter footprint on civic life. Vajpayee and Singh ran coalition governments and may have, on occasion, failed to provide decisive leadership, yet, in their time, India's big state was less intrusive. Stop para. If every sector of society is yoked to the state apparatus or is vulnerable to non state actors who act on behalf of the big state, then citizens will constantly need political patronage and protection, in return for which they must surrender their freedoms. When the state is stifling freedoms across society, how can the entrepreneur dare to think freely or unleash his or her animal spirits? Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with other. Press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.